merciful. रहबर भी ये हमदम भी ये गमखार हमारे, रहबर भी ये हमदम भी ये गमखार हमारे, उस्ताद जी हैं कौमों के मेहमान हमारे. Respected sir, my beloved teacher and my fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Zarafin from Kasset. Today we are here to say thank you to our great teacher for their hard work. We are very lucky to have such great teachers. हमारे दरसगाह में ये जो उस्ताद होते हैं, हमारे दरसगाह में ये जो उस्ताद होते हैं, हकीकत में ये कौम की बुनियाद होते हैं. World Teacher Day, also known as International Day, Teacher Day, held on 5th October every year and established in 1994. Teacher Day is best way for students express for their love and respect. We are truly grateful for what you have done for us. Happy Teacher Day to all of my teachers.